Hey everyone, so I just created a ChatGPT web UI called Chiua. I don't know how to pronounce it, just come up with a random name called Chiua over here. So this is the application over here. So you can just actually add your API key over here, choose your ChatGPT model, and you can type your messages over here, and your response will be shown over here. This is completely open source. So yeah, GitHub. This is my GitHub account, and if you just go here, Chiua, I don't know how to pronounce it. Basically, you can figure out, you can come up with the name. So basically, I created this simple open source web UI for ChatGPT. It's just previously, just 3 days ago. So the first initial commit was actually just one file. So I actually just committed, yeah. So this is the initial commit over here where I just initialized the repository. But let's say the first file was just one plain index.html file. So you see, this was the only file at present. This was the only the file over there, and this was the file, and you can actually do chat with the ChatGPT now. But for now I actually standardize it. So yeah, now over here now everything is compartmentalized. So we have one for index.html for all the index.html files, and the CSS for CSS file for all the CSS, and also app.js file for all the JavaScript. So yeah, that's the history of it. Now, if you just go through Twitter, this is very interesting. So the reason why I was basically for creating this was like my friend was using another web UI for ChatGPT, and that had a pop-up. You have to wait for a few time for the pop-up to go, and then you can continue using that services. So basically, I was like, why are you using something like that? Because it's a web UI, you can create it absolutely for free and fast also. So it's so it was very easy, right? So yeah, so this is how it started. So I just create a prompt, and within 30 seconds, I got this, web UI over here, which is, you can paste your API over here. You can ask a question, it can give you the response over there. And I just said, ChatGPT, makes it beautiful as an UI element. So giving me this one UI over here. Then I actually, let's say prompted or more, and add more styles over here. Then this is the end result over here, as you can see. So this is the story of this web UI interface. So what we're going to do in this video actually is enable a voice switch to it. So basically you can just have a mic icon over here or something, where the user clicks on the mic again and he can speak whatever he wants, and that will be transcribed and it will be displayed as a message over here. So I think that's pretty useful. I am currently using the Grok. If you use Grok, I am actually using a lot of Grok's mic feature over here. So yeah, so that's the basic idea. So I'll be adding this right in the video, and there will be also many other updates. So that's it for so let's get started with coding. And yeah, so I've actually started using Cursor, which is pretty cool. I just like Cursor compared to the Visual Studio Code. So not sure why. It's apart from the AI features, although I just like the aesthetics of the Cursor UI. Basically, in the top activity parts, I like this one more because the VS Code one, this usually take a lot of my screen real estate. Now I like this one. It's small but also functional. So yeah, so let's get started coding. Okay, so this is Chiua. So let me just run a Python server over there so that I can actually see my Python http.server that would run on server on port 8000. So localhost port 8000. So yeah, that's the UI over here. Now what our goal is actually is creating creating a input field where you can also paste your Deepgram. So in case if you don't know what Deepgram is let's say a transcriber platform. It uses Whisper, and it would literally help you from converting text to speech and speech to text APIs. If you just sign in, you will get a $200 credit. That is like more than enough if you want to hack some stuff or something. So yeah, I really recommend Deepgram, and they have a pretty good free tier, and it's pretty awesome. You get a $200 credit. I guess I still haven't finished. I'd say it's $10 of it because yeah, thing lasts a lot. So yeah, so that's all for talking. So I'll get started coding then. Sure. So yeah, so after some time, this is like the project is done. Now you can actually use the audio to write prompts in the MBUI. So I'll just give you a small demo here. So you can paste in the Deepgram API over here and your to API open API over here. So refresh the page. It will be stored on the local store, so you don't have to again paste it again in case if you refresh the page. So turn on the mic. I want to create a web application using Django and Fast API. So what is the best way to do it? And could you also recommend some projects which I need to try on in order to learn Django and Fast API? So just click on mic and this will be stopped, and just wait for some time and it will give you the response in the input. See? So I want to give, could you also recommend some bugs? Okay. Remember using Django. Okay, that is the best way to do it. Could you also recommend some? Okay, so there's some issue with the transcribing, so but let's click send and let's see what happens. I will be also adding loaders. If you click on the mic and it will show you a loading loader, and also when you type prompts, it will also cool. So it's giving you output which is working fine. But yes, in the next step we are of course adding loaders for the both send and the mic option. So that's the next step. So for now that's it. Well, now only thing which is left is adding the loader, and that's very easy. It's just one prompt. So just copy the JS file, go to the cloud. This is easy to fix it. I guess so. Did I forget to refresh first time? Print hello world in Python. Oh, it is showing loading, so it was actually working. But the UI is kind of, I guess. Yeah, let me send right now. Oh, that's a loader over there, which is perfectly fine. But I need to change the mic over here, mic loader. Hello world in JavaScript. So yeah, I think I should put the loader like instead of the mic over there. So that's much better. It's done. I updated the code over here. So basically now what works over here, let's say, if I click the mic, print hello world in C. So basically this will show a loader inside the mic button, and I click send. It will also show up like a loader button in the text area over there, and that will give me the code of a seat. So yeah, that's for this week's update for in terms of GUI. I guess I need a better name. So if you have any Chiua, like this kind of prompts like Chiua or something. So basically, if you have any better names that you can please put, just send me a DM or just put somewhere. So that's it for this video. Thank you and have a nice day.